Please subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video.
Let's move on to a CNBC TV18 exclusive. My colleague Mangalam caught up with the recently appointed CEO of VIP industry, Sudip Ghose, and began by asking him where he hopes to take the company and his outlook going forward. VIP, remember, has been one of the big wealth creators in the last couple of years. Take a look.
VIP as an organization has been very, very stable in the mid segment of the market. So any range from 3,000 to 6,000, we've been very, very strong. We have almost 7 to 75% market share in that. But the price points above 6,000 and price points below 3,000 is something that we are not been strong. Below 3,000 has always been the unorganized players, and above 6,000 has always been Samsonite. So this year and a couple of years from now, we would like to get that segment into our fold. That would help us to be a complete dominant player in all segments of luggage in this country. And that is what I meant to take this organization to the next level, because we are as it is number one luggage brand in the country. We want to be number one luggage brand in every segment in this country.
So basically, when Mr. Piramal earlier spoke with us after the fourth quarter numbers, he said VIP is like the Maruti of the luggage industry. Your aim is to make VIP not only the Maruti, the Nano and the Mercedes of the luggage industry.
Absolutely, absolutely.
All right, fair point. So let's put numbers to that. You know, you did revenues of close to around 1,400 crores in the last fiscal. 18-19% CAGR over the next 3 years would take it to 2,000 crores by 2020. Is that a possibility?
Yes, yes. That's definitely a possibility, and something that I think could be achieved.
The company has seen a net profit CAGR of 30-32%, and he sees no reason why this won't continue into the next 4 or 5 years. If that happens, your net profit from what 128, 129 crores goes up all the way up to 500 crores in the next 5 years. Is that an achievable target, or is that an aspirational target, or is that unrealistic?
As I said, you know, if the sales go up, the profits go up. That's just as simple formula as that. So there is, we can definitely achieve the percentages that our chairman said. The whole segment that we are targeting, which is above 6,000, is a segment that we have never operated. We have launched something called the Carlton Edge, wherein we have started selling products which starts at 12,000 and ends at 25,000. Those are high volume, high value products for us. The moment we do start doing volume in that, immediately the EBITDA starts looking better for us. And I think it is absolutely achievable, and I don't see any reason why we should not.
In that case, what happens to your margins?
Actually, the margins are on pressure a little bit because when the dollar is getting stronger and the rupee getting weaker. As I said, the only advantage that we have is now people have started paying money for the products.
Okay.
So price increases will happen, but the advantage is people do not cringe to pay money for a good luggage, and therefore we will protect our margin through price increases and through finding ways of manufacturing products where the costs will be under control.
So 8% is the price hike that you roughly took all of last year across tranches. Is that kind of quantum expected in this year as well?
Yes, could be between 5 to 8%. That's something that we definitely plan to take, and could be a little more also, because depending upon how the dollar behaves.
All right. So in that case, where does competition come in? Because at the lower end you have Safari, which is relentlessly competing in that segment. At the higher end, you said there are the Samsonites of the world. Middle level also, I mean, there has been the relaunch of American Tourister. Will you be able to take the 5 to 8% hike as well as hold on to your market share?
I've never felt the competitive pressure when it comes to price hike. Our distribution is very, very strong. Our brands are very strong. I think Samsonite is number one in everywhere else in the world except for India. We control almost 60-65% market share wherever there are data points available. The modern trade, which can give us data, that is where we find that we have more than 60-65%.
But aren't competitors edging into or eating into your market share?
They've been trying for the last 5 years. They've not been able to.
So you've gained market share in the last 5 years?
Of course.
How much?
Absolutely. So we would have been about 50-52%. we have definitely crossed 60% in the last 5 years. So I don't think getting market share is a problem.